Hey you guys, it's Ashley Rochelle, and today I want to show you guys how I achieve this cute little hairstyle that I've been wearing. It's like one of my favorite protective styles. It's fairly easy to do and it doesn't take that long, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it in this video. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you think. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so at this point, I have braided my hair down. I put a cap on top, and now I am outlining the perimeter of the braids with some concealer so that I can go in with this Morning Glory and follow that guideline and just fill in my entire head with that silicone so that my hair is protected from the glue that's going to come with the quick weave. Alright, so now, like I said, I'm just applying that glue to my tracks, and I'm going to put my tracks in my head one by one, row by row. I was using some old hair, so some of my pieces were shorter, but you know, I made it work. Once you put the tracks down, it's always good to go in with some Got2b or any type of like holding spray just to secure that, and then hit it with the blow dryer. Here I'm on my last track. You want to make sure that last track is as close to the leave out as possible so that everything blends. And once you're done, hit it with some mousse. That's going to make sure everything blends like way better. Okay, so see here, I'm just flat out on my entire head so that everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go on with my braids. But before the braids, do the baby hairs. That way you know your baby hairs are laid and you know everything is in place. Now, with these braids, take your time and start over if you need to. Like, I think this is like take 2 for me. But you want to make sure you get it real tight and neat and that your tracks aren't showing in any way, you know. So take your time and just do them right. And I was using some edge control as I was braiding, or you can use like what do you call it, beeswax or whatever you use when you braid, just to make the braids neat. Okay, so once my braids are done, I set it again with the mousse, and I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like that's like a last step, especially when you do like some little braids or whatever. So yeah, tie that down real good, and then you just want to let it set. If you're in a rush, you can do what I did and use the blow dryer just to put some heat on it real quick like. And then once it's dry, you take the scarf off, and now you're ready to put your braids back. So with this time, I use just like a scrunchie, and I put them in a put it in a little ponytail. But sometimes I use like bobby pins, and I'll just pin the sides down. So whatever you want to do, it works either way. But that's the look. Once you brush it out, like, you good to go. Fix your baby hair. Sometimes they get a little twisted with the tie down, but yeah, it's a cute little look. Boom. Pictures from the look. You know you gotta take a picture. Okay, so that's it. It's real simple. It's your traditional quick weave with some braids at the front, and then you do your baby hairs to your liking, and you're good to go. It's really gym friendly because I just tie my edges down, and when I wake up in the morning, I kind of just fix my baby hairs. But other than that, it's just like a cute little look for a couple weeks. So like, share, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.